Burbex.
Hi, welcome back to Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration. Today we are exploring an abandoned razor blade factory. That's right, they used to make Gillette razors here. Not only that, but also nibs for Parker fountain pens as well. This building is a very unusual design. We're going to take a look around it. Don't forget, if you love urban exploration videos with a China twist, be sure to hit like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to ding, ding, ding that bell for great new videos from Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration every week. Let's go. Lots of Parker pens. Asbestos. Senzuri was just saying that he learned something from one of my videos, which is interesting because I didn't even know he watched my videos. He was saying that what he learned from my videos is that when you come urban exploring, always come to the rooftop first. Now that's really good advice, because if you go to the rooftop first, work your way down, you're less likely to get caught. And if you do get caught, you can still get some footage on the way out. Perfect. Somebody's been to the Great Wall. There's lots of ledgers and notebooks here. What year is this from? 1979. Look, these are all razor blade cartridges. That's actually pretty sharp. It's a photograph of someone looking a little bit shocked. It says talcum powder, like baby powder. Oh, this is the brand of razor blades they're making here, but I think it's actually owned by Gillette Shanghai. You can see design features like these windows. This is very typical of like 1960s communist Art Deco design. We've seen this in other places in Shanghai before as well. For example, the abandoned middle high school where we found actually human remains. We went out into the backyard and buried them there, give them like a little ritual. Even though this building looks newer, it's older than it looks. This is probably like 1960s. Holy crap, what is that? That is one hell of a torch. For search, warning, defense, and calling rescue. Wow, this is old school. That thing's huge. I think this is a lawyer's license. A license to practice law. And look, you can see this guy. He's called Mr. Shan. This place has been more or less gutted for anything of real value. Parker Pen Shanghai Limited grand opening ceremony. And they make Waterman as well. One of the things about Shanghai is that because the weather is so wet here, it rains so much that most of the damage that we're going to see in buildings is like black rot, green rot, or just the asbestos and the plaster peeling off the walls. Only man razor blades. Sharpies. Oh, a lot of Sharpies. Sharpies have only been available in China for the last 3 or 4 years. They used to be quite difficult to get. These ones are all American imports. Some kind of machine here. Anybody know what that does? Maybe some kind of radio? Honestly, these people are so selfish. They left all these boxes behind and no Parker pens. White Elephant batteries. That's one of the famous brands in China. Oh, there's all kinds of crap in here. Whoa, look at these rubber stamps. That thing's huge. What did they use that for stamping? Well, you can't go anywhere without having cassette tapes. Some of those Japanese style payphones. Hi, welcome to Shanghai Razor Blade Company, giving you a close shave. What crap have we got down here? Oh, somebody here like Cindy Crawford. Is that Britney Spears? You can see all the little stamps here. In China, they're obsessed with stamps. Every form has to be stamped, double stamped, triple stamped. You can see all the different departments here. You can see here we've got all the personnel. They all look a little bit desperate. Yeah, this is like their professional certificate. And you can see it's got their name, but also their ID number. From that ID number, we can actually tell when they were born, right? If you look in the middle here, it says 64. So this means he was born on the 10th of February, 1964. We can look at another one as well. Look, there's this girl here. She was born in 1977, May, 11th of May, 1977. Here's another one. This guy was born 1959, February 10th. If you look at the first one, 31, that means the city, so that means where they're from, and 31 is Shanghai. This brand of razor blades is very famous in China. It's one of the old brands, 那个老名牌, which means like old name brand. The ironic thing about razors being so popular in China, especially like Gillette, is that Chinese people can't really grow beards. Not in the same way like I can grow a beard like this. They have like little patchy bits on the bottom. Sometimes, like in movies, you see like an old man like pulling on his very wispy beard, but that's not so common, really. Christian Dior lipstick. Jesus, what's that? Buzzer blades. Here you can see we found dinosaur razor blades, Kong Long Parrot, which is strange because I didn't know dinosaurs needed to shave. I've not been able to find a whole pen, but you can see these nibs are what they would have been making here for a Parker pen. We're about to get out of here now. The security guard almost caught us inside that one. Before we go, I want to give you a tip which Senzuri actually gave to me. If you're looking at a building and you're trying to figure out if it's abandoned, check to see if the outside air conditioner units have been removed. You can see on this building that they have. Those are the mountings for them.